Welcome to all. In this video, we will see the quiz focusing pioneers in plant tissue culture did their research between 1940s and 50s. Question number 1. Name the scientists first investigated the tumor formation in plants. Option A. White and Braun. Option B. Skoog. Option C. Morrell and Wetmore. Option D. Stewart, Kaplan and Miller. And the answer is White and Braun. In 1942, White and Braun interested in studying the formation of crown galls in the trees. And in modern days now we understood that it is formed by the bacterium called Agrobacterium tumefaciens that produce some growth stimulants to form uncontrolled proliferation of plant cells, leads to the formation of tumor-like structure in the trunk is called tumor. Next question. Who first reported in vitro adventitious shoot formation in tobacco? Option A. White and Braun. Option B. Skoog. Option C. Morrell and Wetmore. Option D. Stewart, Kaplan and Miller. The answer is Skoog. In the year 1944, Skoog started his work on organogenesis and he used tobacco callus for his studies, and he obtained adventitious shoot formation by in vitro culture condition of tobacco cells. Next question. Which of the following reported in vitro regeneration of recalcitrant monocots? Option A. White and Braun. Option B. Skoog. Option C. Morrell and Wetmore. Option D. Stewart, Kaplan and Miller. The answer is Morrell and Wetmore. In the early 50s, it was very difficult to regenerate the plants from monocots since they are highly recalcitrant. The term recalcitrant used for most difficult to regenerate the plants. Until 50s, it was difficult to tissue culture using monocots, and Morrell and Wetmore successfully cultured monocots. So the answer is C. Next question. Which of the following reported the synergistic action of 2,4-D and coconut milk in plant tissue culture? Option A. White and Braun. Option B. Skoog. Option C. Morrell and Wetmore. Option D. Stewart, Kaplan and Miller. And the answer is Stewart, Kaplan and Miller. These scientists added 2,4-D and coconut milk with different combinations, and they found that these components have synergistic action in the in vitro plant tissue culture using potato explant. So the answer is D. Next question. Which of the following scientists proposed meristem culture? Option A. Miller. Option B. Moir, Hildenbrand and Ricker. Option C. Moir and option D. Morrell and Martin. And the answer is Morrell and Martin. In early 50s, Morrell and Martin proposed that virus-free plants can be recovered through shoot meristem culture. The term meristem refers apical dome of the plants, and this apical dome divide of well-developed vascular structure, so it will prevent the virus entry into the meristem region. In addition, the meristem is having high metabolic activities, which is an unfavorable circumstance for virus to survive in such places. In addition, certain hormones are excessively produced in the meristem prevent or harmful to virus. So, if we take meristem as an explant and regenerate plants, it should be virus free. So, the answer is D. Next question. Which of the following established Norse culture technique? Option A. Miller. Option B. Moir, Hildenbrand, Ricker and option C. Moir. Option D. Morrell and Martin. And the answer is option C, Moir WH. Nurse culture technique refers growth or culture of a single cell with the support of group of cells separated by a filter paper or any other transparent layer, and the supporting cells are called nurse cells or nurse callus, and single cell is placed over nurse callus by a partition with filter paper. This technique is differed from co-culture technique in Agrobacterium, where Agrobacterium and explant cultured along with them. Next question. Which of the following established single cell suspension culture? Option A, Miller. Option B, Moir, Hildebrand and Reicher. Option C, Moir, and option D, Morrell and Martin. And the answer is Moir, Hildebrand and Reicher. In 1950s, the scientists Moir, Hildebrand and Reicher obtained the first single cell suspension culture. So the option is B. Next question. Which of the following scientists identify the cell division factor kinetin? Option A, Miller. Option B, Moir, Hildebrand, Reicher. Option C, Moir. Option D, Morrell and Martin. And the answer is A, Miller. Miller and his co-scientists identify a cell division factor, the chemical called 6-furfuramine purine, and it is commonly called as kinetin, and it is involved in growth regulatory function in the in vitro culture. So the answer is Miller. Next question. Ratios of auxins and cytokinins present in the in vitro culture regulates the shoot and root initiation was proposed by option A, Skoog and Miller, option B, Stewart, option C, Moir, option D, Morrell and Martin. And the answer is Skoog and Miller. Skoog and Miller in 1950s, late 1950s, performed experiments with proportions of auxins, cytokinins in vitro tissue culture medium, and they observed that the ratio of auxin and cytokinin play a key role in the initiation of shoot or root. So the answer is option A. Next question. Somatic embryogenesis in suspension carrot cells was first reported by option A, Skoog and Miller, option B, Stewart, option C, Moir, and option D, Morrell and Martin. And the answer is Stewart. In late 1950s, Stewart and his colleagues Mapes and Mears observed the phenomenon of somatic embryogenesis in the suspension carrot cells. Somatic embryo refers the embryo-like structured cells developed from somatic cells, that means vegetative cells. From there, we can regenerate the plants. Somatic embryo is bipolar structure, so it has destined shoot and root polarity in the cell. Thank you.